Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Toggl Track application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then scroll down and at the general section click on the theme button, and as you can see here you can switch between dark, light and the auto set. So just click on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.